Hey everybody, it's James with 317 Vapors. So you're trying to figure out what a Cartomizer is in the vaping world. Well, here you go. Alright guys, let's get into what a Cartomizer actually is. A Cartomizer is a combination of a cartridge and an atomizer combined in one. These are what we quote unquote the butts of the cigarette. This would screw into your battery, and this would have the tip on it which you would puff off of. This one here is a pre-punched Cartomizer. It has a hole in it. That way when you put it in a tank, you can actually, it will self-fill with the tank. We'll get into that later. You'll see these used in the tanks reviews coming up later on, but that's what those are. Same with this. This is just showing you how it comes in a package. This is how most of them will come. If you have like a cigarette look-alike, it'll come, this will screw onto your cigarette battery, and then it'll have a cap on it. What it is you can see down in here, there's actually a coil and a wick. Let me get a close-up shot. This is actually a used one, but you can get a close-up view there. There's a close-up view. You can actually see inside there. There's actually a coil. There's a lead wire running from inside this post, which this connects to the battery. There's a lead running up here, and there's a coil inside here. Well, when you put your juice in there, this wicking material, this cotton wicking in here holds your juice. These typically hold about a milliliter of juice, and you have to keep filling them up. And this one, like I said, this one's being used. It's open, so I was wanting to show you. But once that wicking is filled up, and we'll get to show, I'll show you the preferred method of filling these up. It's called the condom method. That way you guys get a better idea how to fill these up. But that's what's on the inside, just a coil going up. And when your battery powers on, it heats that coil up inside there and vaporizes the liquid. So it comes like this. You can get them, most of the time they can get them without a hole. That's called punching them. You punch them for tanks. So if you don't have a tank, you're just using it, don't get the one with the holes. Now Cartomizers come in different ohms. Ohms are for your resistance. The higher the ohms, the more voltage needed to power. The lower the ohms, the lower voltage to power. And you can control and when you get into variable voltage, you can control your vapor production and your throat hit. You can dial it into your need. So basically that's what a Cartomizer is. It holds the juice and the atomizer all in one, and it just gives you somewhere to put your juice if you're not using it in a tank. There you go, guys. Well everyone, I hope that helped you out a little bit. If you need anything else explained a little better, anything gone over in a little more detail, don't hesitate to put your comments and questions down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you on the next one.